3 2 1 बोल के अगर चालू करें तो फिर वो ओरिजिनल नहीं रहेगा।
ठीक
10 seconds later.
थिंग्स बी
वापस ले वापस ले।
ठीक
नहीं
है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है। So hi guys, and welcome to another episode of the Wine and Poker podcast, All Things B School. Today, what we are discussing is, I think, something that will be very interesting to all the first year students and everyone who's going to join the MBA fraternity. We are talking about the summer's experience. And by the title, if anyone feels we are talking about our last summer vacation experience, so that is not it. We are talking about the summer internship experience that all of us have had in the B School in IMT Ghaziabad. And I am Shikhar Prasad. We have with us Ayush Bhatia, Tushar Kanodia, and the guests for today, very special guests. We have Ishan Garg with us. Hi, Ishan. And we also have with us Mr. Vikram Advani. Hi, Vikram. How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. So, yeah, right off the bat, I want to understand before we get into the summer experience that each and every one of us had. I just want to talk a few minutes on how important the summer internship is and that entire phase, because it is the first time, if you're a fresher like me, it was my first foray into the corporate world, not knowing anything, not the etiquettes, the work ethic. I just want to understand from each and every one of you, whoever wants to go first, how important the summer internship experience is, first of all.
Yeah, like you mentioned that we are freshers
Yeah.
joining in the B school. सबको जैसे लगता है कि अरे वाह बस जाएंगे एक कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे सब हो जाएगा। पढ़ना क्या है, कोटलर के तो 4 रूल बने हुए हैं वही पढ़ना है। Then the time comes. Not only the summer internship, but also the build up, how you get selected in the summer internship, the process that is, how you interact with the companies. So that sets the tone for the 2 years of your MBA. So I think on a scale of 10, I'll rate it 10, and it's the most important thing for your MBA.
In our last days, a comedian, I think Kumar Varun, and he said one line: "Ki MBA is before summer internship and post summer internship.
Okay,
It's nothing else." And
Correct.
I think from the get-go, आप जुलाई में आते हो, and summer internships begin in September.
Yeah.
And basically, your first 2 months pass by the quickest. पता ही नहीं चलता when the first company comes, and when you with the पता ही नहीं चलता, and it's like you just every day, every moment you're thinking कब place होऊंगा, and but I would just say कि बहुत ही ज्यादा pressure होता है summer internship का, which students don't realize until the first company comes. And जब rejections आना start होते हैं, I think then तब कुछ लोगों को तब समझ आता है कि how important it was to start preparing much earlier.
Yeah.
बट
तो
एज अ फ्रेशर
and
तो ईशान उस टाइम पे बहुत नाइव माइंडसेट होता है ना। अभी तुम कॉलेज
correct.
में आए हो, आईएमटी में घुसे हो, पार्टी करना स्टार्ट किया, तुमने नए फ्रेंड्स बनाए हैं। So it is very
हाँ
difficult for anyone to मतलब any common student to realize कि अब मतलब होने वाला है start ये,
absolutely.
that their life is about to change.
Yeah, I think also during the summer internship experience, another aspect is that the same as you said, Ishan, you are just partying and you're making new friends, but you realize, अच्छा ये तो मेरे साथ दारू पी रहा था, but he's placed before me, and that is when the
correct.
pressure kicks in. When you see your friends and people
Yeah,
around
मतलब
in
हाँ
their dream
यार
company.
ऐसा थोड़ा तो जेलसी होता है ब्रो।
Yeah,
थोड़ा
oh,
तो
yes,
जेलसी
yeah.
होता है।
100%, 100%.
मतलब एक
जो
fake
दारू पी
नहीं
रहा है वही
बनता है,
कल
but
साथ में इंटरव्यू बैठेगा।
देख ऐसा लगता है
वो
कि
तो
दोस्त है, बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है इसके साथ, बट एक
अच्छा
अपने लिए
हो
खराब लगता है ना थोड़ा
Yes.
कि अपना कब होगा।
उस टाइम पे तो आई
क्योंकि
थिंक
तुषार
आवर
ऐसा है ना,
एक्सपीरियंस
20 लाख का लोन दोस्त ने भी लिया है, 20 लाख का लोन
मैंने
मैंने
भी
भी लिया है,
तो
तो वो
मैंने
अलग
भी
अलग
लिया
है ना दोनों।
हाँ
It is a 3 idiot thing ना कि दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है वो
वो ज्यादा दुख है।
और ये तो चलो हो गई सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस प्री स्टार्टिंग और समर इंटर्नशिप जब तुम्हारे प्रोसेस चलते हैं। बट समर इंटर्नशिप पे क्या, समर इंटर्नशिप इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी। तो मतलब मैं स्टार्टिंग से ही फ्रेशर हूँ, मैंने कोविड आधा अपना बीटेक कॉलेज कोविड में निकाल दिया, तो वो लाइव इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुई। तो उसके बाद एमबीए करनी स्टार्ट करी, एंड देन केम द समर इंटर्नशिप अप्रैल एंड मई ऑफ 2023। तो अब पहली बारी किसी कॉर्पोरेट कैंपस में घुसा मैं, जाइडस वेलनेस। तो वहां पे तो बहुत ही मतलब साइलेंट सी वाइब थी। कि
Okay.
सारे चुप बैठे रहते हैं, अपना 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 काम कर रहे हैं सारे, कुछ वो नहीं जैसे आज तक टीवी में देखा है, ये देखा है, वो देखा है। सिर्फ एक आपका बडी आपसे कांटेक्ट रखेगा, वो आपसे बात करेगा बस, मतलब और कोई आपसे बात ही नहीं कर रहा, वैसा सीन है। तो बस अपना काम करो, आप जाओ अपना काम
वो-
करो, सुबह पंचिंग करो, शाम को पंच आउट करो और खत्म। ऐसा चलते थे दिन रोज।
हाँ
ऑफिस वाला
Between the
पार्ट तो
lines.
मैं रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहा थोड़ा सा.
Shikhar, you should enlighten us about your experience.
Okay. So I'll start from the start. I interned at Wipro CCL. And first of all, it was not that of much of a shock for me because they were honest. But मेरी जो
Yeah.
expectation थी before even company started coming onto the campus. Before summer internship started, तो I was like कि अब कुछ तो strategy वाला करेंगे, कुछ तो marketing करेंगे. But Wipro came along and it is one of the biggest FMCG companies in the country, and I really wanted to get in. Or as Tushar said, in their talk, they are very clear that हम sales सिखाने वाले हैं, and you will do sales because initially, and that is where I think the reality also kicks in कि initially भाई तुम sales ही कर रहे हो. तुम कोई you're not Kotler and Maslow जिसको चाहिए top firms को तुम्हारे insights नहीं चाहिए, उनके पास है, उनके पास McKinsey से और बाकी consultancy firm से लोग हैं जो उनकी marketing में help कर रहे हैं. So, cut to, I go to my location, which was, I get into Wipro and I go to Hassan, which is a small town, which is 200 kilometers away from Bangalore, which is the headquarters for Wipro CCL. And one core memory, so my day looked like I had to wake up at 9 a.m. in the morning. I had a list of 300 villages in and around Hassan in a radius of 200 kilometers. और मुझे अपने स्टिंट में मेरा सिंपल सा रोल है, I have to visit all these outlets and make sure that these are real outlets and that sale that is happening in those outlets is real and not fake numbers. Simple enough, no rocket science. But the difficult part is the physical labor of it. मुझे एक SO sales officer assign हुए थे, who's a very sweet guy. And I had to travel with him 8 to 10 hours a day every day in the scorching sun of April and May. Bearing down, the sun was bearing down on me 42 degrees, 43 degrees Celsius चल रहा है. But I think overall, I would say I learned a lot. My theoretical understanding of the FMCG industry was very different than what I saw on ground. So learning experience तो होता ही है, and to anyone who's going for a sales internship, don't go with a negative mindset. It is a wonderful learning curve for everyone. So Ishan, like now you had a very different kind of a summer experience from me. If we want to draw a contrast, I think you had that glass building experience.
Yeah.
So just through that, if you
I
want.
think so I was able to get an internship at Goldman, जो मेरी ड्रीम कंपनी थी from day
क्या
one.
अंडरप्ले करके बोला at Goldman.
मतलब it was internship experience. Touchwood was like one of the best learning curves that I had, one of the best experiences that I had. It is arguably the fastest 2 months that went by. If I were to talk about the structure of my internship was such that initially all the 250 interns from all around all the B schools that Goldman goes to was staying at a single hotel, and or कोई नहीं रह रहा उस hotel में. So
Which was?
I mean which was Radisson again. I mean
Five-star stay.
Goldman ने luxury part में तो full आपको एकदम spoil कर दिया था. I mean when you go to companies like these, आपसे expectations एकदम से
Okay.
हो जाती है. मतलब वो बोलेंगे नहीं आपको कि आपको रात को 2-3 बजे तक बैठना है, बट आपको पता है कि वो ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. संडे को आना है ऑफिस. आउट ऑफ 8 संडेज 4 संडेज मैंने ऑफिस में ही गुजारे अपने. मतलब जब सैटरडे संडे ऑफ मिलता था, फ्राइडे इवनिंग सैटरडे एंजॉय करेंगे या ब्रेक लेंगे या कुछ करेंगे, संडे को बैक टू ऑफिस. तो संडे टू आपका फ्राइडे वीक रहता है, विच इज ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम पे पीपीओ का इतना मतलब कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार हो आप पीपीओ लाने के लिए, एंड इट्स लाइक कुछ भी करोगे. एंड द एक्सपोजर दैट दे गिव टू द इंटर्न्स was unreal. I mean, I never felt during the day that I was an intern to the company or I was someone less than. I used to sit next to my VP of my department. The most senior person in my department had his desk next to me. So and constantly मैं पूछता रहूंगा constantly. And before my internship also एक buddy assign हो गया था. मेरे को February में internship start होनी थी, April में I was in constant touch with him. So it wasn't कि I don't know anyone in the office. I know someone is there जो मेरा buddy है, now we have become like sort of friends. It was more than, I mean, already expectations बहुत high थी. अब Goldman में जा रहे हो कि crazy होने वाली है, but it exceeded. I mean, I would say the office was मतलब ऐसा लगता है 7-star hotel है. कॉफी मशीन ही समझने में 1 घंटा लग जाता था, मतलब इतना इट वाज सो हाईटेक. बट
So now, Vikram, you interned at you cleared the first company that came on campus. You interned at one of the top FMCG companies. So what is your experience like? What was your experience like the summer intern?
My internship, I interned at Nivea and I interned in Delhi NCR. तो ऐसा भी नहीं था कि बहुत ज्यादा कोई रिमोट पार्टनर भेज दिया. That is until I went on the field. Because
Okay.
दिल्ली में ऐसे ऐसे कोंटे मुझे एक्सप्लोर करवाए निव्या ने कि क्या. तो हार्डली 10 इंटर्न्स हायर करती है निव्या. बट द ट्रिक इज ये 10 लोगों के प्रोजेक्ट चुन चुन के निकालते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल माय प्रोजेक्ट वाज हाउ डू वी एक्वायर न्यू कस्टमर्स बेस्ड ऑन द स्मॉल पैक्स दैट आर अवेलेबल. और इस चीज पे यू कैन गो ऑनलाइन. कोई McKinsey की स्टडी नहीं है, कोई BCG की स्टडी नहीं है. देयर इज नो कंक्लूसिव आर्टिकल एज वेल, स्पेशली इन द पर्सनल केयर सेगमेंट. नो वन विल टेल यू कि यार तुम अपने प्लानोग्राम में ऐसा चेंज करो तो ये आ जाएगा. So everything is to be explored, and there's one news article 1 week before my internship starts कि P&G और HUL का small pack में भयंकर लॉस होना स्टार्ट हुआ है और इन लोगों ने उस पे हेवी बेट करा था.
Great
Now
news
what do I
before
do?
the internship starts.
तो मेरी इंटर्नशिप ऐसी थी. I used to leave at 9 AM in the morning. तो ये जो कंफर्ट था दिल्ली में होने का, स्ट्रैटेजी वाली समर इंटर्नशिप मिलने का, वो चेंज हो गया था.
Couldn't enjoy.
Yeah, no, I did enjoy, but in a different manner. So
Okay.
it was definitely out of my comfort zone. तो सुबह 9 बजे निकल के I used to meet at least 2 to 3 sales officers daily. एक काम कर रहा है सेंट्रल दिल्ली में, एक काम कर रहा है वेस्ट दिल्ली. तो मुझे इनसे मिलना है. तो मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, समझ ले आज एकदम रिमोट पार्ट है जो नोएडा के पास है, और मैं उसकी टाइम पे राजीव चौक पे सेंट्रल दिल्ली में काम कर रहा हूँ. So these are my 2 appointments of the day.
Wow.
मैंने दिल्ली में लिटरली एक हेलमेट कैरी करा है अपने साथ पूरा, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता मुझे कब क्या मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट मिलने वाला है, कब के सेल्स ऑफिसर के साथ नहीं रहेगा. तो पैकिंग ऐसी रहती थी यार, पहले सुबह उठ के हेलमेट ढूंढ लो, ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह तो देख ले. सो
Basically, I was in the same company as Shikhar, which is Wipro, and we were told that we'll be sent to the remotest of locations. Okay, but as luck
We
has
come
it,
from two
and
Wipros, Tushar. We come from two Wipros.
as luck has it, location-wise, I was not at all fucked, basically. So I was kept in Bangalore, which is their main office, because I was given the lighting department. There are 2 departments in Wipro Consumer Care, which is one is consumer care and one is lighting. Okay, so
यार अंदर ही सोच, बाहर स्माइल कर रहा है, अंदर ही सोच रहे हाँ जी बहुत मजा आ रहा
बस
था.
Friday जाऊंगा.
इंटर्नशिप में विप्रो में ही थे ना, वही इंटरव्यूअर था, वही सेम था मेरा तो सब. मेरे को कहाँ भेज दिया 4 घंटे दूर. ओ भाई.
मैं पर्सनली इसमें से किसी के साथ भी रिलेट कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ बिल्कुल.
करेगा.
मतलब मेरा कंप्लीटली
तुम क्यों
ऑपोजिट
करोगे?
इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस है.
AC की हवा खा रहे थे तुम.
हाँ, अगर
हाय.
तो मेरी इंटर्नशिप जाइडस वेलनेस में थी, एंड बेसिकली मेरे 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स थे. फर्स्ट वन वाज टू एग्जीक्यूट अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन फॉर ग्लूकॉन-डी, and second one was to understand the PUSMs and everything for different brands of Zydus Wellness.
मैं भी यही सोच के आया था कि मैं भी यही करूंगा.
मैंने तो Zydus ने पूरा स्पॉइल किया है. लाइक स्टार्ट हमारा अहमदाबाद में हुआ, फिर हमें बॉम्बे भेजा, फिर उसके बाद बॉम्बे से वापस अहमदाबाद. तो सारी फ्लाइट्स उन्होंने करा के दी पहले तो हमारी. उसके बाद आउट ऑफ 56 डेज ऑफ इंटर्नशिप, 22 डेज हमें एक प्रॉपर 4 स्टार 5 स्टार होटल में ठहराया था. कि जिसमें मतलब चिल करो तुम लोग.
देखो याद है भाटिया रोज वीडियो कॉल कर फ्रूट प्लैटर दिखा रहे, अपना ये दिखा रहे, अपना मेन्यू दिखा रहे, देख सब ऑर्डर कर सकते हो हर रोज भाई. यार मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है वैसे, एंड मतलब pertaining more to Tushar, Shikhar and Vikram की यार, for example when you decide to do an MBA in marketing, मतलब you come with a certain mindset कि ठीक है हम ये these are the jobs that we are looking for. और जब ऐसी सेल्स स्टिंट लगती है इंटर्नशिप में, स्पेशली आफ्टर क्रैकिंग योर ड्रीम कंपनी, लाइक एकदम से सडनली माइंड शिफ्ट तो होता होगा कि यार मतलब आई एम डूइंग एन MBA, तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि सर्टेन लेवल होगा. बट डू यू थिंक कि मतलब आफ्टर जैसे यू हैव नाउ डन ऑन ग्राउंड सेल्स प्रॉपरली, मतलब हार्डकोर सेल्स यू हैव डन, एंड मतलब यू हैव डन इट इन हासन, यू हैव डन इट इन NCR, मतलब दोनों tier 1 tier.
I think for the first 1 year of my stint at least, I'll be doing hardcore sales.
No, मतलब I just wanted to know कि मतलब MBA में सोच के आए थे कि ये होगा, but now because you know that you will be doing
That is
this.
what I'm saying. So now that I have gained perspective, I feel that like at least for me, I feel it is being a fresher, I have no clue how the corporate works and how the industry functions. And
Hmm.
FMCG basically is a dream internship industry for half the marketing students that have appeared for
same.
our college.
I also
Correct.
I remember
And
first day
I also had one more question. Ki, do you think being a fresher was an advantage maybe? Ki sales ki agar stint
Yes,
hai, but
yes.
genuinely.
being a fresher,
See, being a fresher, I think it is just the lack of ego that you have in the setup
correct.
Exactly.
that helps you so much, dude.
Hmm.
Because you are
Hmm.
just there to learn. You are just there to operate. You are there to understand the functioning first. And
Hmm.
that is why you have zero ego. You will do anything that you are asked of, right? And you will do it to the best of your knowledge and to the best of your ability because you want to impress your boss and you want to impress your managers over there because this is the first time you're working and you want appreciation.
Correct.
You want that stamp of
Hmm.
authority. You are good enough and you want that PPO because it is such a dream company. Like you talk about dream company.
Correct.
तो ये PPO तो तुम काम पूरी तरह से करोगे तो being a fresher it gives you that advantage or it gives you that edge कि you are ready to do the shit that others aren't for the same
Correct.
people and might be something that you are humiliated by at some other time like going into places that matlab I remember Shikhar has sent photos and snaps of places
Yeah, where there was
where
a river that
Hey,
I
normal
man.
like, yeah.
humans can't go, dude, like without like crossing a pond with a bus, ponds with bikes. So
Yeah.
if you can do that, I think you can do anything in the future, right? You are prepared for the worst of the times that you will be facing in this instant in the future, and that is why it helps you, dude. And Vikram, go ahead, yeah. What were you saying?
यार इसने फोटो की बात करी ना तो मुझे वो फोटो याद है कि शिखर ने ग्रुप पे डाली थी वो रोड रैश जैसा बना हुआ है और उसके साथ एनपीसी जो ड्राइव कर रहे हैं वो टकला है
सही में।
वो सांप की
भाई।
भेजी थी की फोटो बोलता है कोबरा दिख गया एक दिन मतलब कहाँ कोबरा है तो भेज दिया
ऐसा
था ही
रोड
नहीं
क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ सामने से कोबरा जा रहा है
यार
And
बट शिखर का तो चलो बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम केस हो गया बट जैसे ईशान ने पूछा था कि एक सडन शॉक लगा था या एमबीए से तुम मतलब एकदम से तुम्हें सेल्स का वो मिल गया बट weren't we prepared for this all together मतलब पूरे
हाँ
साल हमें यही नहीं बताया गया था मेरे को तो
I
जब
think the
अपने आप
point is,
मार्केटिंग मिला
yes.
था
sorry,
उस
हाँ.
टाइम में शॉक हो गया था
Batu, the point is, if you are in a secondary B school organization, you will have to do sales if you are in a marketing setup. Like initially, you have
I
to
feel.
learn sales and you have to be ready to do sales for at least 2 years of your career, and only then can you progress to a marketing stint if you want it. Like some people want sales.
Now coming to the 3-letter word PPO, how I just want to understand. Not I love you.
जिनका PPO आया वो हाथ खड़ा कर ले भाई
I just
जिनके
wanna-
भाई
So I just want to understand from each and every one of you, like getting a PPO from a top organization, how much of it is skill, competence, and your hard work, as compared to luck and your things working out your way and the stars aligning for you to get that final offer. Because there are things I know that are beyond your control that play a part in you getting that offer at the end of the day. So I just want to get this perspective from each and every one of you.
Yeah, at some point there are, as Shikhar rightly mentioned, at some point there are things that are beyond our control and that will affect in some way the decision that they make. It happened in my case as well, I think. 1 month down the internship, my project was changed, my reporting manager was changed, and it helped me tremendously because the new manager was really involved in my project and he was helping me and mentoring me into into the PPO that I got later. And I think that worked out in my favor. And the location works out in your favor because you are involved with your friends and that helps your mental state of being in those 2 months as well. Staying alone like shit is very taxing to your mental state and to your emotional well-being as a human being. So that is one factor that you can't control in some companies. You don't get preferences in your summer internship of where you want to intern, in which location. Will be sending you to a random location, and if you are alone and if you are not there with your friends or family, you will find it taxing enough, and that will take a toll on your performance as an intern and later affect your PPO or PPI status in the company. I was lucky enough to have factors that worked in my favor and got that PPO. But at some point, it is obviously I would believe that it is my work and it is
Well-
my ethics that helped me. But
Yeah.
there is luck
It's
involved.
always
Obviously,
a
we
mix of both
can't
things.
question the fact that there is luck involved in getting a PPO because
I feel so. I mean, obviously, when you say luck, it is both ways. Either you can have some bit of luck and get a PPO, also some bit of luck, which will reduce your chances also. And I think I was a little bit on the other end, which is you can't control it, you can't be mad about it. अच्छा ठीक है कि नहीं आया, मैंने तो सब करा. जिस दिन PPO की मेल आई थी, before the day I got the mail जहाँ पे मेरा PPO नहीं आया था, I thought मेरा PPO 100% आएगा because there were मतलब लास्ट डे ऑफ माय इंटर्नशिप एवरीवन, मेरे VP ने मेरे को ऐसा हक करा, मेरे को एक ने बोला तेरे को तो देखूंगा अगले साल. 3-4 things aligned for me which I was pretty sure कि यार इतना हो रहा है तो I should certainly get it. And
dude, the best part is I think the motivational aspect here is that you don't stop working even if you don't get it.
Yeah.
Even if you don't get it, it is okay. It is not it is just a bump in the road. There is finals and there are enough case competitions that you should work towards. And that is what of us here are testament to, except for me, everyone here. They did not convert, right? But none of them stopped. 2 of them are national winners. 3 of them are national winners, and another one of them is a finance guy who has got into Bank of America.
Yeah.
Instead of going. So we know, like, there is no stopping you if you keep working
something
hard.
will work out if you keep going on. वैसा
It
scene
can
है.
be,
All's
luck
well
can
said.
stop you at a point. Luck can't
there's no
stop you forever.
substitute to hard work.
That can't stop you
Correct.
forever.
यार मेरा मतलब ईशान की स्टोरी सुन के ना मतलब गूज़बम्प से आ गए एकदम से.
सही में ब्रो.
मेरा तो इससे entirely opposite था पूरा experience. I went on my internship. I wasn't clear initially that मेरे को PPO चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है. तो I had no choice at the end. If they would have offered me, I would have to take it. In IMT, it is a rule over there.
तो काम खराब कर रहा था क्या?
हाँ, नहीं, काम तो बिल्कुल ठीक किया था. बटी ने ना मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट वार्निंग दी, उसने डिस्क्लेमर दिया, कह रहा है अभी तो बहुत रोजी पिक्चर थी 2 मंथ्स की, अभी तूने मार्केटिंग का रोल किया है, लेकिन अगर तू PPO में सिलेक्ट होता है ना तो तेरे को मुजफ्फरपुर भेज देंगे हम सेल्स के लिए. फिर मेरे को शिखर की याद आ गई. मेरे को लगा ये तो हासन वाला सीन हो जाएगा भाई मेरे साथ, यार मुजफ्फरपुर चले गए. तो जब मेरा इंटर्नशिप का खत्म हुआ तो लाइक ईशान वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि उसका PPO आ जाएगा, हर डे वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है उसका PPO आएगा. मैं एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट हर दिन पूजा करता मेरा ना क्योंकि अब मुझे नहीं चाहिए था PPO. मेरे को सिर्फ
ठीक है, चलो. So we'll move on to the first photo. Let's see what do we have in store for us. I'll just share. All right, the first photo is, oh, this is Bangalore gang. Want to take this?
तो उससे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि सुबह का सारा दर्द सह के जब आके मैं रैंट करता था 1 घंटे कि यार क्या करवा रहे मुझसे ऑफिस में, वो इस फोटो से अच्छे से समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बट दिस इज लाइक
ये तू है.
Ishan,
अच्छा,
you
मैं
are,
हूँ.
अरे Ishan, you are there in the photo. Oh, this is Ishan.
अच्छा मैं हूँ.
ईशान and
अरे
Vidhi.
ब्रो, this
Tell
is
them
our
about
small
Gokarna.
detour. This is not about Gokarna, this is about glow in the dark beaches.
Oh,
जो
Yes.
700 साल में एक बार आते हैं. और उसी टाइम पे जब हम इंटर्नशिप पे गए थे और हमें देखना ही देखना था, जिसके लिए हमने 9 घंटे ट्रैवल करा है गाड़ी में, 2 पहाड़ ऊपर नीचे उतरे हैं एक बस बीच को देखने के लिए. मतलब
Bro, I remember
Oh
I got a
God.
call, मैं हासन में अपने होटल रूम पे था, I got a call at 12 or 1 कि तू रेडी हो जा, हम तेरे को पिक करने आ रहे हैं. और मैं बोला गाइस कहाँ, मतलब क्या सीन है, कुछ तो बता मेरे को. नहीं कुछ, तू रेडी हो जा, हम तेरे को पिक करने आ रहे हैं, बस कुछ नहीं बता रहे तेरे. Oh, Mr.
अरे
what
अरे
is this? Wow, crazy.
ओहो.
Talk us through this.
So it's very appropriate that Bhatia found this photo, because I don't know how many times I've repeated this, that जितने भी केस कॉम्स हमने किए ना, there was one case com, this आपको as a team क्रैक करना है. This fucker cracked this case com individually. तो मैं मतलब तो because of my PC commitments, I was not able to put a lot of work during Air India. और again this guy as an individual stood up कि भाई नहीं, मतलब I'll cover up for everyone. I'll crack this case competition. So even though I am the one holding a trophy and a check, smiling. But again, एक दिन even before 1 day before the finals, I was not aware कि हमने क्या solutions propose किए हैं. And to carry from the first round till the finals, love to you, Bhatia. One of the best
Wonderful.
memories.
The next photo, yaar.
Let's go.
Good, very good segment, yaar. Fun.
Wow. Bangalore peak.
अरे भाई ये इतनी गंदी फोटो है ना मेरी। एक तो अगर बात करनी है तो वेट लॉस जर्नी की भी बात कर सकता हूँ। I feel तो मतलब यहाँ
We come to an end of this podcast. It was great catching up with all of you. I think जो हमने experience share की अपने summers के and all the shenanigans that we shared and all the struggles, I think everyone who's watching would have taken away a lot from it. Or yeah, with that we come to an end. Like, share and subscribe. We launch new episodes every Friday, so keep watching and thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.